Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Naz. I'm a holistic health and nutrition coach. In today's video, I'm going to bring you guys along with me and share with you some parts of my day. I'll be running some errands, cooking, and of course cleaning. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And of course, subscribe for more healthy lifestyle videos. So right now, I'm basically making my Somali tea. It's pretty much a ritual every morning. So yeah, enjoy. So right now I'm making my bulletproof tea. I try to stay away from coffee. So I just made my Somali tea. I already shared on my channel exactly how I make my Somali tea, but it's pretty easy. It's basically the same ingredient you would use for a chai tea. So I'm pouring some almond milk because I'm trying also to stay away from dairy. And this is my MCT powder from Love Good Fats. So I just use 1 tablespoon, and then I add 1/2 of a tablespoon of butter, grass-fed of course, and I'm gonna blend all of this. So you don't really have to blend it for too long, not even 5 seconds. You just want everything to be well blended. And I like also to use a blender because it gives it like a latte texture. It's really foamy. It's really delicious. And there's so many different recipes for bulletproof coffee or bulletproof latte out there. And to be honest, every morning I feel like I just try a new recipe. I don't really follow any recipe. So I'm just adding a little bit of cinnamon here. Hey guys, so right now I'm going to be heading downtown just to meet up with one of my good friends. I can call her like that. I'm meeting up with her to get something from her. I'll show you guys exactly what it is, but that's what I'm up to. It's really rainy today. I'm not gonna complain because all the snow will leave us, so that's really good. But before that, of course, I have to get my Starbucks. So I'm gonna go get a Frappuccino. I'll show you guys exactly what I ordered at Starbucks. You guys ask me a lot on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow. I'll put my Instagram ID here. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Sorry guys, so I wanted to show you guys exactly how I ordered my Frappuccino, but it's like raining like crazy. Like, can you see how wet my car is? Oh my god, I don't know. It wasn't raining like that like 2 minutes ago when I left home. But anyways, here's my Frappuccino. So it looks like this. It's really yummy. I'll try to like put a picture of exactly what how they wrote it down. But I'm doing low carb, so I'm like, I was doing keto, but now that I'm pregnant, I'm just doing low carb. So this one is basically no classic grande green tea Frappuccino with sugar-free dolce cinnamon syrup and 10% cream instead of regular milk. So it's not really keto, but it's low carb. And to be honest, I was also drinking this when I was doing keto. Because it's still low carb, and after a certain point you become what we call fat adapted. So that's that. Now I'm gonna try to drive safely because it's raining like crazy and meet with my friends. So see you in a bit, guys. Hey guys, so I'm with Falumo, I don't know, and or Fatu, and I got my little, what can we call this? Wreath. So, yeah. It's so pretty, guys. Oh my god, this is designed. So basically you design it yourself. You choose whatever colors you want, what you want to be written on. So I'm gonna get another one eventually saying Eid Mubarak, of course, but this is for Ramadan. Yeah. And I went with this design, basically green and white. And she does, you actually have more, right? More. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to put more samples like around the screen so you can see like the different styles you can go with, but she's really flexible. So yeah, so you don't have a website yet?
No website. Just Instagram, Facebook.
Okay.
So pretty much what these are, personalized, custom wreaths for Ramadan and Eid.
Yes.
And you can get them on
for anything also, right?
Yeah,
You can write anything.
You can write
yeah.
exactly. Huh?
Yeah.
You can have Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, blessed.
You know what I was thinking? You can also put like the name, like for me, for example, I'm having a baby, so you can also put the name of the baby
Absolutely.
in the middle and just put it in the room, you know? You can,
Yeah.
can pretty much put anything actually.
Anything you like.
Yeah.
So they're personalized to whatever the message that you want to pay for, what you want on there.
Yeah.
But they're super cute. I thought it would be just to get in the spirit of Ramadan.
Yes,
To welcome Ramadan.
of course. And you can also give you guys like as a gift to other people, you know? This is a nice gift for Ramadan. No, I really love it.
They're super cute.
Yeah, and you can put it on your, obviously it's meant to be put on the door.
Yeah.
Just to show, you know, other people that we also celebrate something. We actually have 2 Christmas because we have 2 Eids in the
holidays. Yes. Which
so yeah,
it's a good exactly, huh? A nice way to show your neighbors, friends, family, neighbors, to show that you're in the spirit of Ramadan.
Yeah.
Decorate your home. Decorate
Yes,
your door.
of course.
Show everyone that you know, it's unfortunate we're not back home where it's celebrated. Everyone is expressing the spirit. Everybody's in the spirit. But when we're here, we really have to show our children, our friends, our neighbors,
that it's a special day, you know?
Exactly. Go all out and decorate your home.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put like the camera just to show the details. It's really nice, guys. You can legit do anything. You know me, I just like simple colors, but it's really nice. So obviously we're gonna tweak some little stuff because I'm that picky. But the final,
pregnant, so we have to get the pregnant lady what she wants.
So, but mashallah, it's really nice. So yeah, the final product I'll show you guys eventually when it's done. But this is for Ramadan. I'm gonna get another one for Eid, and the prices are pretty affordable, guys. So inshallah, I'll share your link and everything on the description box. But
yes, please do.
Put it here. I just want to give them a little idea. It's really nice.
What was I gonna say?
This is so cute.
There's pre-orders too, eh? So everything has to be done before we hit Ramadan, inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah.
Yeah.
It's so nice, mashallah. It's elegant, yeah. Oh my god, guys, it's crazy how the streets are like completely empty. Usually downtown is packed, but like everything is so empty. SubhanAllah. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh damn, what is this? Spring is officially here. Well, announcing itself actually. It's really pretty. After the rain comes the beautiful time. I don't know if that's how we say it. But it's really nice, guys. I love it. Okay guys, so I just came back home. I'm gonna start cooking. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. It's not that but if you're Somali, you know what I'm wearing. So this is a dira. This is a sheet. That's how we call it. This is a sheet. I'm wearing sheet to stay home, and with this obviously to cover. But so yeah, we're gonna cook now. I'm gonna make some steak. There's already some rice from yesterday, and I'm also gonna make some green beans. So I have my washed steak here. I'm just gonna do 2 slices because I'm meal prepping tomorrow, and we just need something for now. I'm gonna put some avocado oil. I'm also preheating my pan here on very high because we really want to grill this. Add some salt. Some pepper. Now I'm gonna add some salt. Have my favorite spice here, coriander powder. And I'm gonna add some garlic powder. A little bit spicy, so I'm gonna add a little bit of the chili powder. And then massaging everything. So my pan is hot. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil. I'm gonna wait for this to get a little bit more hot. I just finished eating. It was so good, and it took me less than 15 minutes to make it. Really simple dish. I actually made the rice yesterday, but you can make the rice in like 5 minutes. So now I'm just gonna start cleaning the house because yeah, it's pretty messy, especially the kitchen. And then I also want to try a bread recipe, a keto bread recipe. But let me just clean so that I don't get confused. So this is the end of the vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and support your girl. It'll mean the world to me. And we will see each other in a couple of days.